Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to redeem a DoorDash gift card. If you don't have a DoorDash account, we will put the link in the description below for you to sign up, and get $10 off each of your first 3 DoorDash orders over $15. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see 3 horizontal stacked lines at the top left corner of the screen. Click on the 3 horizontal stacked lines. Then several options will appear. Click on the option that says Gift Card. On this page, you will see a section from which you could redeem your gift card. So, enter your gift card PIN. Then after entering, click on the Redeem Gift Card button. That's how you redeem a DoorDash gift card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.